Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can sign up for Pandabuy. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my navigator. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to the search bar and then type Pandabuy login. Once you do that, go ahead and click on login from here, and then you're gonna be right here in this page. So right now, go to this menu in the right, which is the login menu. So if you already have an account, you can log in from here, enter your informations, and then click on login. And if you don't have an account yet, you can go ahead and click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, right here, you need to choose your region. You need to add a username. You need to add your email address. So for example, I'm going to add this email address. And then your password. So make sure that you enter a password that you remember. So for example, I'm going to enter this one. And then make sure that you type the verification code. So basically, guys, this is the verification code just to verify that you are not an AI or something. Then click on I have already read and accept the user registration agreement. And after that, go ahead and click on sign up. Once you do that, you're going to find this message, register success. Please activate your Pandabuy account with the link sent to your email inbox. So right now, all you need to do, guys, is activate your account from the email, and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.